This is the fuel economy converter, which instantly converts between different fuel consumption units used worldwide. Let's look at the inputs. First, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled From Unit, where you can select from 5 options: MPG US, MPG Imperial, L100 km KML, and miles L. For this demonstration, I'm using MPG US. Below that is a single input field labeled Value with a placeholder that says Enter Value. Once you've entered your number, click the Calculate Fuel Economy button. For our example, I've entered 10 in the value field with MPG US selected. After clicking Calculate, the converter displays all 5 unit conversions simultaneously. Starting with MPG US, we get 10 tour, which matches our input. The MPG Imperial shows 12.01, reflecting the difference between US and Imperial gallons. The L100 km result is 23.52, showing liters consumed per 100 kilometers. The kilometer L value is 4.25, indicating kilometers traveled per liter. Finally, miles L shows 2.64, giving miles per liter. These instant conversions help engineers compare fuel efficiency data from different international standards. Find the link in the description below.